Hello, good morning. My name is Andrew Fode. I work for Wandahome South Cave. Today I'd like to introduce you to the 2020 Westfalia 540D. Rather interesting vehicle. In my experience, most of the Fiat Ducato vans that are on the market are 6 metre plus. We traditionally sell the Volkswagen T6. This is a vehicle that has been introduced into the Westfalia range, and it's 5.4 metres long, which means it's only 10 centimetres longer than a Volkswagen T6. Now, as we open the door here, those that are familiar with looking at the compact vehicles will notice we actually have headroom. So no need to pop a roof. What we have here is we have seating for 4 adults. The chairs, they spin around just to open up for the lounge area. We have a proper toilet and shower, and we have a full-size double bed at the rear of the vehicle. Nicely lit. What you will get with any Westfalia vehicle is a beautifully manufactured motorhome. The cabinets are aircraft type lockers, and the panels on the side, everything is a factory finish. There's no carpet or wooden paneling on the walls. It really does have a very high quality feel. And if we can just step back with the camera, we'll open up the shower and show you into the bathroom area as well. Once again, further enhancing the quality feel of the Westfalia vehicle. Now, this particular model has a retail price at just over £43,000, which is really quite surprising when you consider that a number of the competitors are touching nearly £60,000 for some comparable finish. The vehicle comes with a range of engines from 120 brake horsepower up to the 180. This particular vehicle we fitted with the 120, and we feel it's perfectly adequate. It's replaced last year's 130 brake horsepower engine, so it does give a comfortable drive. Heating in this motorhome is done via the Truma diesel heater system, and we have a 12-volt compressor fridge and a hob unit here, which is the only thing that uses the gas bottle, so gas will run quite efficiently. Myself, I don't really understand why more motorhome manufacturers on the compact series don't run with diesel heaters, because it is an efficient use of the space within the vehicle. If we can take a tour round to the rear of the vehicle, what you will see here is cavernous stowage. Again, let's remember we are only looking at a vehicle which is only 5.4 meters. Now, for the active sort, it is possible to lift this bed, and this will convert, then that will lift onto the bed forward to give us a single bed, allowing you to put a bicycle inside. Myself, I do mountain bike and very often go away on my own, and this will be perfect for this. As just see, can be just to show you that very easily lifts up. That can then be placed on the bed in front, and we have this storage. The container there is a sealed container which holds the gas bottle, and here we have the water tank. So everything is concealed. The step which allows you access into the bed, easier access, that can be detached. The bed can be completely removed, and then you've got a vehicle that you can use for throw storage. So it is a true dual purpose vehicle. Fly screens and blinds all round, and high level door catch if you do want to open the doors while you're in the bedroom area at the rear. Everything shuts off quite nicely. There's a full range of colours. There's no cost option for the flat colours in the model range. Metallic colours are just under £600, so really good value for money on that. We have one of these vehicles on stand at South Cave if you'd like to come over and view it, and we are obviously taking orders for the 2020 season. I'm Andrew Fode, we are Wandahome, and we'd love to welcome you on site to view the vehicles. I'll See you soon. Thank you.